can tell me what the formula is that we learned yesterday? Sine of over side A is equal to sine of over is equal to sine of over side C. Okay, so we're going to practice some examples today within your homework. You're going to have a short assignment, but we're going to do one last example today, and I'm going to draw my figure. We call it A, B, and C. And that's fine. The examples will say, the assignment will say to solve the triangle. So we have angle A, angle B, and angle C. We have side A, side B, and side C. Which one of these do we know so far? Angle B is 12 degrees. So I put a 12. What else do we know? C is 27 degrees. So therefore, I write a 27 degrees. What other piece do we know? Side A is, so I put a 10 there. Now, in order for law of sines to work, we have to know an angle and its opposite side. Are we given an angle and its opposite side yet? No, but could we figure out this angle so that we would know the angle and its opposite side? Yeah, how do we figure out this angle? Yeah, we subtract those two from 180. So I'm going to take 180, and I'm going to subtract 27. 141. So I've got these three angles. I only have two other things that I need to find now, and that is side B and side C. Can I use the Pythagorean theorem? Why? It's not a right triangle. Can I use SOHCAHTOA? No, because it's not a right triangle. So SOHCAHTOA and the other piece of the Pythagorean theorem, they only work with right triangles. If I don't have a right angle, I have to use the law of sines. Let's set it up. What would you like to find? Would you like to find B or C? B, okay? See if you can set it up. The sine of what? 141 divided by 10 equals the sine of 12 divided by B. Cross multiply. 10 sine of 12 equals B sine of 141. How do I solve for B? Divided by sine of 141. On your calculator, do you need to be working in radians or degrees? Degrees. Make sure you're working in degrees. And I take 10 times the sine of 12. Make sure you close your parenthesis, divided by the sine of 141. And I get 3.30. Great. I've now got two sides. Tell me, should B be shorter than A or longer than A? Why should B be shorter than A? Because angle A is the largest angle, so B and C should both be smaller. So we figured that out. Second of all, can I use Pythagorean theorem to find C then? Why? It's not a right triangle. So we have to set up the law of sines. So we set it up again. The sine of 141 over 10 equals the sine of 27 divided by C. We cross multiply. C times the sine of 141 is equal to 10 sine of 27. I solve by dividing by sine of 141. So C is equal to that piece. Again, if you have a calculator like mine, I'm going to type in second entry, and I get the same thing I had before. What's the only thing I want to change in that problem? Instead of 12, I have a 27. Second, enter. And I get 7.21. It is solved. Please take out a scratch sheet of paper and grab a scratch sheet of paper and a book. Come on in. Hi. Have money? I'm... Okay. Your assignment is section 3.1, page 284, numbers 1 through 4, 7, 8, and 17. Now, you currently have 30 minutes to work on this assignment. What I would like you to do is right now, I'm going to give you 5 minutes, so till 2:25, to do the first problem, and we're going to check it on the board. Okay? So I'll end up doing the first problem for you, but you try it on your own. Set it up just like we did. Okay? Now, if you're wondering why we skipped chapter 2, we're coming back to chapter 2. Trust me, it's just chapter 2 is more difficult than chapter 3. So, yes. Okay, so go, and then we'll check to make sure you get it right.